Catherine Millett for Fashion One here in Montreal. We're at DYDH Muse Production Sales. There's over 9 designers here with all their stuff, so come check it out and do some shopping. So I'm here with Dayan from Dayan Tang. Tell me a little bit of what's going on here today.
Today is a Muse designer sale. If you don't know them already, it's DYDH, so Die Young Die Hard Productions. They set up events every month, and this is their first designer sale, so we're excited. It's local designers, so I'm excited actually to see a lot of the Montreal local designer stuff, and come and see my stuff.
You have some wonderful dresses and purses. Can you tell me a little bit about this piece you're holding?
Yeah, this is the Make Me Over clutch. It's all hand illustrated, and my work is basically all my prints are done by hand, most of my stuff, and I do a lot of beadwork and whatnot. So yeah, so it just it's really cute, and it's a hot seller basically.
And all the pieces that you're selling today, are they sample pieces, like all handmade, or are they production pieces?
They are all made pieces by me. So yeah.
So I'm standing here with Derek, the organizer of today. So tell me a little bit of, like, what is DYDH and what is going on here today?
Well, DYDH is Die Young Die Happy Productions. It's Danik Yap and Dina Habib is my partner in crime. What we're all about is supporting local designers and local artists and really trying to bring them at the forefront of the industry and the community here. So we do a Muse event at the Royal Phoenix every month to showcase all these designers. So for the holiday season, we decided to have a Muse designer sale. Basically going back through the year that we've had a bunch of collaborators, and we decided to try to bring as many of them as possible today so that they could try to sell the things that they've shown on our runway and has shown at our events, and hopefully on good prices, and get people to support local this holiday, because we find that's super important.
So yeah, it is important to support local. I'm totally for that as well. I see that you have different kinds of designers here. You have some jewelry and things like that. Do you have any favorites or anybody you want to showcase?
Oh no, I can't name favorites. They're all right here. I will say that we are very excited to have our longtime collaborative friend Pedram Karimi here. He just showed at Montreal Fashion Week the last season, his first collection, and he's a good friend of ours. So we're very excited to have him here. But we're excited to have everyone. We're good friends with all our collaborators, and we try to keep a good relationship. And it's fun to get them all to meet and to kind of just meet a bunch of new creative people and hopefully be inspired by each other.
So I'm sitting here with Laura. Tell me a little bit of what you're doing here today.
I actually do hand-painted manicures under the moniker Drop Dead Manicures. So today we're doing a marathon of mini manis because I figured people, they want to keep moving through the sale really quickly, so they don't want to sit for a full hour. So I picked 7 different designs, so people can just pick one of 7 very quickly, and all of them I can do within 30 minutes. So we're doing really quick, hand-painted, beautiful designs.
Great. And what do you think about these kinds of events here with all local designers?
I actually really love them. I think that people are trying to focus their lives more on local stuff, and people are really into handmade things. People are, and also I feel like there's so many people who are trying to create their own employment, try to create new economies and trying to do their own thing and be their own boss. And I think that that's commendable. And I think that people like Dina and Danik creating infrastructure for people to be able to do that and promote their businesses is really wonderful.
I'm standing here with Krista, a fine tattoo artist who is here today. Tell me a little bit about yourself and what exactly you're doing here today.
Basically, I work as a fine artist and a tattooist, and I'm here to promote some new artwork that I'm just released. 3 limited edition silkscreen prints. They were all hand treated with coffee. And I actually printed them with an amazing company called Station 16. We worked together. And what you're looking at is basically like vintage flash. So I wanted them to kind of look old school, but at the same time, like give a new illustration nuance to the new artwork that I'm releasing. So 4 tattoos are just to enjoy to look at.
Yeah, they are really pretty. Can you tell me a little bit about your inspiration behind it?
3 of them are completely different, but the one that we're looking at actually is called Sciatica, and I just released my new tattoo name, which is now Sciatica. This one is kind of like influenced a bit by black metal and the occult. It's kind of got like very sharp edges, some skulls going on, a little bit of death, a little bit of beauty.
You're also selling some t-shirts here, and there's some personal artwork on there as well.
Yes, I'm actually just finally at the very end of my last line with a company named More Than a Friend. And I'm planning on making some new artwork for new t-shirts in the upcoming spring 2013 under Sciatica.